Hey guys, welcome to Social Studies. Yes, we're going back to Social Studies for a little bit. And as you can see here, our topic is going to be immigration. Welcome to America. So last we talked about New Jersey. We were looking at the, really the regions. I believe that was part of the last time we looked at the regions of New Jersey. But we're going to kind of leave the geography behind a little bit. We're going to skip ahead a little bit to the 19th century, which is the 1800s, about 1820s to the 1870s at first, and we're going to look at immigration. There was a large influx of immigrants during that time. There was actually 3 major waves of immigration you're going to learn about today, but that was one of them. Here's just a little picture. Immigrants carried all of their belongings with them when they came to America because this was a permanent move. You'll read about a little bit about what the trip was like. Was not easy, especially if you were in what's called steerage. If anyone out there is a Titanic fan, if you've seen that movie Titanic, you know all those people who were down at the bottom of the boat. That was steerage. Was not an easy ride over. But anyway, you're going to read a little bit about that, and it's going to lead to a nice little project. But before we get there, we need to build some background knowledge. So if you come to this third slide, you're going to see you're first going to watch a BrainPop video on immigration. So if you click that link, it'll bring you right to the BrainPop video. There's some other activities over here. You do not need to do that. You just need to watch the video, which I believe is just under 4 minutes. So you're going to watch Tim and Moby answer a question about immigration. When you're finished, you'll come back here to this slideshow, and there's a ReadWorks article. So you're going to click on the ReadWorks article. It'll take you there. You're going to log in with the class code. Hopefully you remember that. And I'm going to pick Taylor today since it's Taylor's birthday. Only Taylor can pick Taylor. Nobody else can pick Taylor. And you're going to go in and you'll see the ReadWorks article right here, immigration. It is not one of those articles of the day. It's just one article. So you'll click on the immigration. It does give you a couple of vocabulary words that you can look at ahead of time so you know what that word means when you get to it. And then the passage here does have a play button if you would like to play this while you're reading along. Okay, so that's about almost a 5-minute read along there. It is somewhat lengthy. And, you know, sometimes having it read to you while you read along is very helpful, but that's up to you. When you're finished that, you're going to go back to the slideshow and you're going to click on this last slide here, and this is going to be your book of knowledge for that article called Immigration. There was no book of knowledge attached with that because it is a little bit of a longer article. So this is going to be this is going to be your book of knowledge here, and you're just going to write down 3 facts you learned from the article on immigration. Okay, any 3 facts. All right, I'm excited to look into immigration and get started.